Dude, do you ever struggle doing things like restating information or making your writing more interesting? Man, I do. One way to tackle these problems is to understand the use of synonyms. Okay, synonyms are cool tools to use when you want to paraphrase information or emphasize something. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. But check this out. Sometimes they can replace each other in sentences without changing the meaning of the sentence. I'm not joking here. So here's a little test. Choose the correct synonym for propel in this sentence. The huge waves will propel you into shore on your surfboard. Which choice is a synonym for propel? Drown, splash, drive. Dude, if we choose drown, the sentence doesn't make sense. The huge waves will drown you into shore on your surfboard? Huh. If we choose splash, then the sentence totally changes meaning. The huge waves will splash you into shore on your surfboard? Nah. What about drive? The huge waves will drive you into shore on your surfboard. Now that's more like it. Propel can be replaced with drive, and the sentence has the same meaning. So, drive is a synonym for propel, right? Being comfortable with synonyms will help you restate things in your own words and add emphasis where you want it. And that, dude, is cool.